In comparison to other programs, I've been to a bunch of trade schools for dental assisting or a dental hygienist. This one is by far you're more on hands, it's easier, you kind of go at your own pace, but it's a lot more flexible too than other programs.
I honestly can say it's been the best thing that's happened as far as trying to further my education and still being able to maintain a household.
You have time to do your homework, you have time to schedule the time you have to practice or do your tests.
Indigo, the classes are smaller, so you get more on hands with your instructor, and I feel like that is super great, especially when you're going into the dental field.
The fact that it was a hybrid program, the fact that it was going to be basically on my time, but yet we met once a week, which really, being a working mom, is the best thing.